How to change clip duration in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, select the clip you want to change on the timeline by clicking on it. Then, move your mouse to the edge of the clip until the trim icon appears. Click and drag the edge left to make the clip shorter or drag right to make it longer. This is a quick way to adjust the duration. If you want to set an exact duration, right-click the clip and choose Change Clip Speed. A window will open where you can enter the new duration or adjust the clip's speed. Changing the speed will automatically change the duration, making the clip play faster or slower depending on your settings. Click Change to apply your changes. And that's it. Now you know how to change the clip duration in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.